What up, YouTube? It's your boy, and the place to be, with Wonder, coming at you with another unboxing from Amazon.com. It's from a company called eGrand. It's a Chinese company. I'm trying out some new stuff, you know what I'm saying? My concern is, with Asian clothing, they're a little smaller body-wise, so you got to like size up when you got stuff from Asian companies. So I had to get like 3XL. So I'm hoping that they fit. So basically, got a couple of shirts here. Got your red, got your gray. It's supposed to be t-shirts. They made like, I guess you said polo shirts. It's got a stand collar. There was something I saw on Amazon. It was nice looking, man. It was real cheap. Doesn't feel cheap though. That was my concern. They only like $11 or something like that. But I thought they were gonna, kind of feel cheap. Whatever. But it's pretty decent size heavyweight cotton. Let me take this tag off right quick. I can show them what they look like. Like I say, man, I'm always messing with Amazon.com. Check out my other unboxings and stuff. Usually shoes. Nice. Yeah, I like it. Got the tight fit, that's what I was going for. Got the stand collar. Yeah, that's tight. Like I said, I did have to size up though. Make me look swole though. Look at them arms. Yeah, I like it. Kind of a stretchy spandex type feel to it. Try the gray one. I got 3X on both of them. The gray one. Red accents. The red one had navy blue accents. And there you go. This is crazy though. I was reading the comments. Somebody did mention that sometimes when you order from these companies, right, you'll get two shirts that are supposed to be the exact same size, but one actually feels bigger than the other. That is true. Like, these both say 3XL on the tag. You see that? 3XL. 3XL. But clearly, I'm still looking swole. Put some lotion on my elbows, though. But clearly, you can see that this is a little longer than the red one. It doesn't feel as tight on the body. Still not complaining. That is a little weird. I say you get two shirts, supposed to exactly the same size. One fits a little bigger than the other one. But yeah, man, check me out, Wonderful Kevin on Instagram. Kevin Lawrence on Facebook. Kevin Lawrence on Google+. Wick Wonder on YouTube. Dress like me, eat like me, sleep like me, be like me. Check out my other unboxing videos, man. Stay tuned for more coming up, man. It's been a real hot year. I'll probably put up a year in review video, you know what I'm saying? Christmas right around the corner, so your boy got some new stuff coming in. Right now I'm doing this on my new Insignia 8-inch Flex tablet, you know what I'm saying? So comment in the box, subscribe, hit me up on my other networks, man. I'll let you boy.